Good evening, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel Bishnupriya's Chemistry Vlog. So today's topic is determination of chloride in water and wastewater. So without delay, let's start the topic. Determination of chloride in water and wastewater. First comes to its description. What is chloride? Now chloride is an inorganic anion which is found in mostly in water and which can be measured using by titration method. Okay, it is due to the natural process or pollution from sources where from it occurs from seawater, industrial water and our domestic uses. And this is the reaction is the precipitation reaction, which is represented by when silver nitrate reacts with sodium chloride, it gives silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Then comes to its principle. Now when silver nitrate is titrated against the sample containing chloride ions, the chloride ion reacts with silver ion to form an insoluble silver chloride precipitate. Okay. So in a neutral or slightly alkaline solution, potassium chromate can indicate the endpoint of the silver nitrate titration of chloride, which is precipitated before red silver chromate is formed. Okay. Then what is the reference material which is used for the determination of chloride? Now IS 3025 part 32 and APA 24th edition. So many methods are used for determination of chloride, but the most suitable method is argentometric method, which is generally used in our laboratory. Range is not available. What are the equipment used for determination of the chloride? Burette, pipette, conical flask, distilled water and pipette or it's called also bubbler. Okay, then come to what is the reagent or chemicals we need for determination of chloride. Now first one is silver nitrate, then sodium chloride, then potassium chromate, then aluminum potassium sulfate or aluminum ammonium sulfate, sodium hydroxide, hydrogen peroxide and aluminum hydroxide. Then come to its procedure. Procedure method for the reagent preparation. How we prepare this type reagent? First we have to prepare silver nitrate of 0.0141 normality. So for this we have to dissolve 2.395 gram of silver nitrate in distilled water and store the solution in a amber bottle to avoid contamination or reaction. Okay, then we have to prepare sodium chloride. For this we have to weight 0.824 gram of sodium chloride, which is dried before 140 degrees Celsius in a hot air oven, and we have to add in distilled water and dilute in 1000 ml. Then we have to prepare potassium chromate indicator. For this we have to weight 50 gram of potassium chromate. First we have to add a little amount of distilled water and we have to add silver nitrate until a red definite precipitate is formed. Note down, student, note down this. Okay, until a definite red precipitate is formed. Then we have to let it stand it for 12 hours and filter after 12 hours and dilute it 1 liter with distilled water. Okay, then we have to prepare sodium hydroxide of 1 N. For this we have to weight 40 gram of sodium hydroxide and dilute it in 1000 ml distilled water. Then we have to prepare aluminum hydroxide suspension. For this we have to weight 1.25 gram and 1 gram aluminum ammonium sulfate in 1000 ml of distilled water. We have to warm it to 60 degree Celsius and add 55 ml of concentrated ammonium hydroxide slowly with stirring in a glass with a glass rod, and we have to settle it for 1 hour in a large bottle and wash the precipitate by the successive addition with mixing and decanting. Then after 1 hour we have to distill water on decanting. Okay, distilled water and until free from chloride. Then we have to standardize our silver nitrate which we prepare to know the whether is it exactly 0.0141 or not. For this we have to take 25 ml of sodium chloride, which is primary standard solution, in a conical flask, and we have to add exactly 1 ml of potassium chromate, then to titrate with silver nitrate solution till end point changes to pinkish yellow. And what is the strength of the silver nitrate? For the calculation, we have to W1 into P, L2 into P into 1000 by L1 and L3 into M into 100. Okay, where W1 is the weight of the salt, L2 is the volume taken per solution, P is the purity of the salt, and L1 is the volume prepared. So by this calculation, we have to find out our strength of the silver nitrate, whether it is exactly 0.0141 or not. Then come to sample analysis. So for this we have to take 100 ml of sample in a conical flask and add 1 ml of potassium chromate indicator. And if observe, so my dear student, observe if the sample is highly colored, which you receive in your laboratory, if it is highly color or very turbidity, so for the removal of turbidity or color, we have to add 3 ml of aluminum hydroxide suspension, mix and let settle and filter. But if sulfide and thiosulfate is present, for removal of this, we have to add 1 ml of hydrogen peroxide and stir it for 1 minute. If the pH of the sample is not within the range 7 to 10, then we have to add sulfuric acid or sodium hydroxide to adjust the pH. And then after that, after pH maintained, we have to add 1 ml of potassium chromate indicator, then titrate against silver nitrate to bring pinkish yellow color. Okay, and for chloride ion, we have to perform one blank analysis. For blank, we have to take 100 ml of distilled water and in a conical flask, and then we have to add 1 ml of potassium chromate indicator and titrate the standard silver nitrate solution to bring pinkish yellow point. So this figure, this figure, in the first one, when we add potassium chromate in our sample, it becomes yellow. Then after titration with the silver nitrate, it becomes pinkish yellow. Okay. Then come to its calculation. Okay, burette BR minus blank. Burette reading minus blank into strength of the silver nitrate into 35.45 into 1000 by sample volume, where 35.45 is the equivalent weight of the chloride. Then note down the chloride as mg per liter in our notebook. Okay, thank you. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you.